Hello everyone, welcome to Middle Class Effective Vlogs. In this video, I am going to show you what gold items I bought with my savings, with their weights, prices and bills. Let's get started. These are some of the gold items I bought with my savings. Let's see each of the item in detail. These are the first studs I bought in 2018 like that. They are tree shaped and filled with white stones. You can see them, they look very pretty. I will show you the bill for that. Its weight is 0.768 milligrams and it costed me 2500 rupees in 2018. After that studs, I bought this white stoned finger ring which was gifted by my mother on my birthday. We bought it with our savings. I did not find bill for that. I think it costed around 10,000 like that. After that, I bought this earrings. This earrings looks in a traditional way. It looks very good on the ethical wear. See its design. I'll show you the bill for that. Its weight is 3 grams 465 milligrams, which costed me 14,000 in 2019. You should always collect the bills. I'll tell you why. After that earrings, I bought this multi-design chain. This chain contains 2 design patterns in it. You can see the design. I bought this chain and locket separately. This locket's weight is around 1 gram and it costed me 4,500 rupees like that. The locket is heart in shape. And I'll show you the bill of the chain. This chain costed me 26,800 rupees in 2019. Its weight is around 6.5 grams like that. Actually, the bill was given in a wrong way. That's why I wrote it backside again. After that chain, I bought this matnees for my mother. I think it costed me 10,000 change like that. I'll show you the bill. Yes, it costed me 10,200 rupees and its weight is 2.5 grams. I bought it in 2020. Later, after that, this ring was gifted by my friends on my birthday. Even I added some amount for that. It is Lakshmi Devi ring. Its weight is 3 grams 140 milligrams and it costed me 18,000 rupees in 2020. After that, I bought this tiny studs for regular wear. I love that studs so much. It looks pretty on both the modern and ethical wear. You can see the design. I bought them by exchanging my old earrings. Its weight is 1 gram 360 milligrams. It costed me 8,030 rupees. I exchanged some old gold So I got 6,500 for that, and remaining 1,500 I paid for that. To add a good look to my studs, I matched this hangings to it. See the design? I'll show you the design in detail. Just see them. They are circle in shape with two hangings. I bought it in 2021 and its weight is 1 gram 740 milligrams, which costed me 9,500 rupees. After that I bought a flower shaped finger ring. Just see it. Its weight is 2 grams 980 milligrams. It costed me 15,000 rupees. And this is the bill of ball shaped bracelet, which cost me 29,000. I gave 1,000 in advance, so he wrote it as 28,000. Its weight is 5 grams 750 milligrams. This is the design, you can see it. I bought this design to match with my earrings. After this bracelet, I bought this gold kada. It has a screw. We can open it and we can fix it. Just see the design. You have to open like that and wear like that. I was alone while making the video, so I could not fix it. Just see the design. It got gold balls and gold pulses in the middle, and its look is totally different. But it is very delicate, you should use it very careful. These are some of my gold items which I bought with my savings. It makes me so happy when I see them. Now I'll tell you why you should collect the bills. First thing is, when you are exchanging or when you are returning the gold, the weight may vary from the bill. The gold reduces in milligrams, but it cannot reduce in grams or tulas, so it will help you in that. And second thing is, it is useful at the time of income tax returns. While you are filing income tax returns, they'll help you. And just a minute, I made this video not to make show off. I made it only to make all motivated and start thinking towards savings. Gold is like an asset which will helpful at the time of marriages and emergencies. Please take it in a positive way. Thank you so much for watching.